Hi friends, I'm happy you're here with me today. I have a wonderful story to share it with you. Blue Bird and Coyote. This story is an old Native American tale, retold by James Bruchac and illustrated by Chris Lenches. It's about a bluebird and coyote and how they got their colors. Have you ever wondered why bluebirds are so bright and blue, or why coyotes are dusty gray? Well, this story has the answer. Let's find out it together. The Bluebird's Journey. Long ago, the bluebird wasn't blue at all. She was gray and dull, not bright and colorful like we know here today. One day, this gray bird saw a beautiful lake. Near the lake, there was a bright blue butterfly. The gray bird asked the butterfly, "How did you get your color?" Asked gray bird. "It's from the lake," said butterfly. "This is how to get it," said butterfly. "Go in the lake. Do it 4 days in a row. Then thank the lake." Gray bird did this. Then she was blue. "Thank you, lake." Now let's talk about the coyote. Long ago, Coyote was green. Coyote saw Bluebird. "How did you get your color?" asked Coyote. "I will tell you," said Bluebird. And she did. Coyote went in the lake, but he did all 4 days in one day. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. He did not thank the lake. Coyote ran off to tell his friends, but Coyote fell. He went down a big hill. Coyote got up. Now he was all dusty and dull. To this day, Bluebird is blue and Coyote is dusty gray. So what we can learn from this story, friends? Bluebird teach us to be kind, that being patient and grateful is very important. She waited 4 days, followed the instructions, and remembered to say thank you. The coyote teach us what happens when you are impatient. The coyote rushed, didn't follow directions, and forgot to be grateful. Thank you for listening for the story. This is such a beautiful tale. I hope it reminds you to be patient and to say thank you. Bye-bye.